Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 lesson 3 Anansi and 5. Open your page number 20. Today we will start from page number 29. Again Mrs. Shrew smiled sweetly. Mrs. Shrew दोबारा मीठा सा मुस्कुराई and counted slowly और आहिस्तगी से गिना 1 2 3 4 and this one here 1 2 3 4 और एक ये She pointed to the mound beneath her feet. उसने उस ढेर की तरफ इशारा किया जो कि उसके पाँव के नज़दीक था, जो नीचे था, पाँव के नीचे. Beneath का मतलब होता है नीचे. Say 1 2 3 4 5 shouted Anansi. Anansi चिल्लाया कि 1 2 3 4 5 बोलो. Instantly, in a big burst of spark, he disappeared. एक धमाके के साथ फ़ौरन ही वो गायब हो गया. मिसिस श्रू पिक्ड अप हर लोड. मिसिस श्रू ने अपना वज़न उठाया एंड सेट ऑफ टू द मार्केट और बाज़ार की तरफ चल पड़ी. शी वुड सेल दीज पाइज. वो इन पाइज को बेचेगी एंड बाय माउथ वाटरिंग डेलिकेसीज फॉर हर फैमिली और अपने ख़ानदान के लिए बहुत मज़े की मुँह में पानी लाने वाली खुराक खरीदेगी. ठीक है, आज हमारा ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया. एनएनसी एंड 5. Open your page number 30. Today we are going to do its exercise. Question number A, comprehension. Question number A is, what was the witch's name and why did don't like her name? And its answer is, the witch's name was Five. She didn't like her name because people laugh when heard her name. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number A. Question number B is, what was the witch doing in her garden? And its answer is, the witch was stirring her cooking pot. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number B. Why was Anansi pleased? And answer is, Anansi was pleased because he heard the witch and thought about food and money he would make. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D is, what was the first animal that Anansi tricked? And its answer is, Mrs. Rabbit was the first animal that Anansi tricked. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E is, which animal were not fooled by Anansi? And its answer is, Miss Frog and Mrs. Shrew were not fooled by Anansi. This is the answer of question number E. Question number F is, what things could you buy in the market? And its answer is, at the market you could buy yams, beets, pulses, grains, potatoes, etc. This is the answer of question number F. Question number G is, why was Mrs. Shrew going to the market and what was she going to do there? And its answer is, Mrs. Shrew was going to market to sell her pies. She wanted to buy delicacies for her family. Question number H is, why did Anansi get angry with Mrs. Shrew? And its answer is, Anansi got angry with Mrs. Shrew because she was not saying the number 5. Question number I. How many characters are there in the story you have just read? Make a list. And its answer is, there are 6 characters in the story: Anansi, Witch, Mrs. Rabbit, Mr. Duck, Miss Frog, and Mrs. Shrew. These are the answers of question number A, question number 1. Now we will do the question number 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the story. First one is Anansi was a trickster and he was having a difficult time. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Difficult. Next is Anansi dashed through a gap in the wit's fence, and its answer is peaked. P-E-E-K-E-T, peaked. C. He imagined what delicious, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Delicious foods he would find. Next is a dash sound pulled Anansi from his daydream. A scurrying, S-C-U-R-R-Y-I-N-G, scurrying. Next is she walked to the dash में आएगा nearest mound and stood on it. Anansi grind, G-R-I-N-N-E-T, grind, and showed all his sharp teeth. ठीक है बच्चों? Page number 31. Working with words. See if you can find the answer to the following descriptions. First one is a person who treats people who are sick. उसको क्या कहते हैं? डॉक्टर. ठीक है? डॉक्टर का कौन सा वर्ड है? DOCTOR, डॉक्टर. Next is a person who look after people in a hospital is a dash, nurse, NURSE, nurse. C is a people who help children to learn is a teacher. ठीक है? TEACHER. A person who look after people's teeth is a dentist. DENTIST, dentist. आज के लिए हम लोग इतना ही करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.